Hey everybody, this is Jim, and I wanted to post a short video on how to do the theory matrix and also to explain a model for the course for how we're looking at the different leadership approaches and theories each week. The core of this course is built on the Dunham and Pearce model for leadership, which, like Nordhaus, defines leadership as a dynamic, interactive process that always involves a leader, followers, a context, the actual process and ways of influence, and then the outcomes. And so we're going to look at an approach or leadership theory each week. And as we do, you will plug it into this model and we will see what does that theory say about the leader, what does it say about the followers, what does it say about context, which could be a place of work, a student organization, family, and then the ways of influence, how that is occurring, and then the results when that approach is working. And we will look at each theory in view of this model, and that will give you some foundational information about each of these theories and approaches. And then as we come to the case studies and you apply them to organizations that you read about and that you've picked, you'll be analyzing, okay, how do these theories speak to the leader in that organization, the followers, the particular context, the ways of influence, and the outcomes. So each week you will be filling out a theory matrix, which you turn in 3 times throughout the semester and then as part of a final project. Now, the way the matrix works is at the top here across is the different approaches we'll take each week. This week is trait approach, and then skills, and then behavior. And then for each of those, just like that model showed, you're going to be filling in what is the trait approach, what are the implications of this theory for the leader? What does it say about the leader? What does it say about followers? What does it say about the context and what's important in the organization, the context that this leadership is going on, the process and the way this works, and then the outcomes. So when people, how does the trait approach say? What's the result of using traits in leadership? What outcomes result? So, and most of this you'll find in Nordhaus in the articles and the videos. And so, for example, under trait approach, it argues that what defines the leader is the leader's traits and personality characteristics, often the ones that they are born with, and that's what makes a leader or makes effective leader is these personality characteristics. So the trait approach doesn't say much about followers because it doesn't take followers into an account. It argues that leadership is occurring when there is a leader exercising these traits. So as you fill this in, you're looking to be specific and clear to the particular theory and approach, but then you're also looking to be concise so that you're not writing a book in here, but then you have a summary of each of these approaches and you're able to see their differences and similarities, and then this matrix at the end of the term becomes part of the basis of your concept map presentation, which I will share in another short video a little bit later in the term. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to email me or text me or the TAs. Otherwise, have a good week. Thanks.